Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You jump straight into Skyscanner, enter your origin and destination, then pick whole month or cheapest month so you see the lowest options. This increases flexibility. Make sure to toggle nearby airports to catch cheaper carriers a short distance away. Once done, compare one-way versus return pricing because 2 one-way tickets can be cheaper. Also open incognito or clear cookies before searching. This reduces dynamic price bumps and keeps your results honest while you move to filters and alerts. You now refine results. Apply filters for number of stops, total duration, preferred airlines, departure times, and baggage so you balance cost with comfort. Sort by cheapest, but skim durations and layovers. The absolute cheapest might add an 8-hour wait you won't tolerate. Next, set a price alert to monitor drops and try the everywhere or multi-city search if dates or destinations are flexible. This often surfaces creative routings. Make sure to compare low-cost carriers' add-on fees so the sticker price isn't misleading. You finish by comparing the Skyscanner result with the airline site and trusted OTAs. When prices match, prefer booking directly with the carrier for better support. Before you pay, verify baggage allowances, seat fees, and cancellation or change rules so the low fare stays low. After booking, confirm the e-ticket and reservation code in your email. If payment or booking fails, don't panic. Try incognito mode, a different browser or device, or call the airline directly as the quickest troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.